In a world where inclusivity and respect for personal identity are increasingly important, it's so crucial to make sure that you're being addressed in a way that feels right to you. One simple way to do this is by adding your pronouns to your LinkedIn profile. So if you want to ensure that people are addressing you in a way that aligns with your gender identity, follow these easy steps to add your personal pronouns to your LinkedIn profile. So first you're going to go to your LinkedIn profile and you're going to scroll down until you see this pencil in the profile area. Once you get to your LinkedIn profile, you're just going to use the pencil in the corner to update your LinkedIn profile. And once you get there, you're going to scroll down a little bit and you'll see an area called pronouns. You can toggle in the pronoun area and choose from she/her, he/him, they/them. And if your preferred pronouns aren't listed, you can customize them and add them manually. Finally, don't forget to save your changes by clicking on the Save button. That's it. Now you're all set with your pronouns on your LinkedIn profile. It's a small step, but it can go a long way in making yourself and others feel seen and respected.